This is like pit row, but it's a nice pathway. And I can't go through because I got my timing chip on. The mic, parking lot filling up. There's neutral support. You come up here and in the opening lap, we're gonna be strung out by here.
And I'll let you guys go. I'm on 8:29, about a minute, and I'll have that racers meeting.
We appreciate it. Anybody out there that was raced in the very first, pretty nice, we appreciate you. Shout out, thanks to all of our sponsors, Roswell, Gato Lawn, Georgia State Parks, Dawn Design, Nick's Tank Company. VI'd you guys out, same as we've always done over the last mile to start the race out. My laps are right at 9.6 way road crossing. If you're familiar with the chip time from you, as well as the manual backup. So we'll need to make sure we stop on the other side of the bridge. You'll turn it and you stay at your pit for a couple minutes or 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Once they're even with you and they get to you, then you can take off out on your Master, Ultramaster, Hero, 903, base, 6-hour Clydesdale, Ultramaster, mechanical out there on the course, and you're not going to finish a lap if you call your team.